Okay guys, welcome back. And in the last tutorial we had seen that the users tab actually out here was working. I'll just show you in case you haven't seen that. Okay, so once I click on this users link out here, we see that this is working. But if I just start fresh and click on this contact thing out here, this would actually not work. And okay, so once I click on contact, this is actually not working. The basic reason out here is that you have to always kind of map kind of exact names out here. So since here it is actually only contact and I have mapped it to contacts, out here there's an extra s. So what we'll do is just we'll go ahead and put an extra s out here such that both these names are totally identical. Okay, so if I just go ahead and try to refresh now and see what happens. So if I just click on contact, we can see hello from contact is also now showing up. So I'll just kind of give this also a h1 tag. Okay, just put this whole thing into an h1 tag. So once we go here in here, okay, so now we can see that both the tabs are working. Once I click on the users tab, you can see that hello from users is showing up, and on clicking on contact, we can see that hello from contact is showing up. Okay, so now we have got our whole app router thing working. So all that is left now is that we have to just see or kind of find a way to include some extra parameters that we may just send through a URL, such as contact / someone's name, and then how to just import it or kind of retrieve those URL parameters into the file. So in the next tutorial guys, we'll be doing that. And before we depart, I'll just show you how to include this app router into its own element. So I just made a new element such that we can make this whole thing a lot more cleaner. So all you have to do is that you have to go into any element that you want to put the app router element into, and I've just made a new element named app route, and now I've just cut and pasted those things, and also remove these things from out here, these elements. Okay, and maybe maybe just I'll let the a tags remain here. And the next thing that you want to do is that you have to go into the elements.html file and include the my route .html file into the elements.html file. And the last thing is that we have to include the my route element out here. Okay, so basically you can see that the whole app is a lot more cleaner and everything is in its own element. And the basic advantage of using app router is that we don't have to include every file all at once. So I'll just show you an example of that in the next tutorial. Okay, so now you can see that we have just included all the app router kind of things into its own file in the my route HTML file, and still this app is working totally fine, and the whole thing is lot more cleaner and maintainable. So in the next tutorial guys, we'll be seeing how to get parameters from this URL and basically stuffs like that. So the future is very bright kind of thing. So just keep liking the tutorial guys and subscribe to the channel and keep sharing the videos, and thank you.